Hi, I'm Tom Santoro, and I'm a design engineer at Black Diamond Equipment. I'm going to show you the features on the Distance Carbon FLZ, but we have a wide range of poles designed for a variety of terrain and price points, no matter where your adventures take you. To easily understand our pole names, FL stands for Flick Lock, Z stands for Z-Pole, and AR for Accessory Ready. We offer both aluminum shafts for the most durability and carbon shafts for the lightest weight. When you get your trekking poles, they will be collapsed in a Z configuration. Instructions are located on the poles. To extend your Z-poles, pull down on the slider shaft until you hear the pin click. On models with Flick Lock, adjust to your desired length. A good starting point is to have a 90-degree angle in your elbow. All of our Flick Locks come preset, however, it is easy to adjust the tightness to your desired level by using a standard screwdriver. Make sure the Flick Lock is in the open position when adjusting. To adjust your Z-pole straps, use the Velcro adjusters. Each pole is labeled with an R or an L. Our recommended strap use is entering up from the bottom and then grip down onto the pole. This will allow the strap to lay flat under your palm for the most comfortable grip. All Z-poles feature a lightweight EVA foam grip. On our Distance Carbon AR model, there's a soft touch rubber grip top that is also accessory ready. For this model, the trekking poles can also serve as tent poles for our distance tent. All of our Z-poles come with one-piece lightweight baskets with a rubber tech tip installed. The tip is also compatible with our Z-pole snow basket, which is sold separately. To install the snow basket, align the circle to the keyway and push on until you hear a loud snap. To remove, apply force to pop off the snow basket. To change the carbide tech tip, use a pair of pliers to twist it off. To install it, spin it on clockwise, being sure to engage the wave lock 3 or 4 clicks. To collapse your Z-poles, push the pin into the shaft and separate the lower shafts. On poles that have our slide lock, pull up on the sleeve and then collapse the lower shafts. Clip the basket to the slider shaft when your Z-poles are collapsed for the best packability. Over time, if you notice your poles loosen, access the pole tensioner, twist clockwise to tighten, and remove slack from the system. Be sure to check out blackdiamondequipment.com for the latest information on our trekking poles, their feature sets, and our recommended uses.
MSR's Dynalock trail poles were designed for casual snowshoers, hiking along established trails and through rolling terrain. Made of high-strength aluminum, they're our most durable poles, offering many seasons of performance. Their 2-section designs are perfect for short adventures just past the trailhead or longer days exploring the valley basin. At their foundation is our Dynalock technology, delivering a full range of adjustability with easy, rock-solid locking. Its unique design allows you to adjust its clamping force on the fly to ensure it's always tight and secure for total confidence. Adjustable, low-profile straps offer all-day comfort, and carbide steel tips resist wear from rock and ice. Built with the same precision quality that's made MSR snowshoes the technical leaders, Dynalock trail poles will back you up every step of the way.
Cascade Mountain Tech offers shock-absorbing twist-lock trekking poles with both carbon fiber and aluminum shafts. Each twist-locking pole has an internal spring that helps to absorb shock, making longer treks more comfortable and easier on your arms and shoulders. All of our trekking poles include a durable tungsten carbide tip and come with our bonus 5-piece accessories kit, which includes rubber tip covers, rubber boot covers, snow baskets, mud baskets, and a pole clip. Once you are ready to hike, set your poles to their ideal height and twist firmly to lock into place. Our carbon fiber twist lock poles come with cork handles, adjustable wrist straps, and an extended lower foam grip, giving your hands a comfortable placement option for uphill travel. Each carbon fiber twist lock pole weighs only 7.8 ounces and extends from 26 inches collapsed to 54 inches fully extended. Our aluminum twist lock poles feature EVA foam handles, weighing in at a total of 10.4 ounces per pole and ranging from 26 inches collapsed to 54 inches fully extended.
The great outdoors are teeming with adventure. But without the proper equipment, you're not reaching your full potential. But thanks to VAFX hiking poles, I don't think twice about going that extra mile. VAFX hiking poles come with 3 different tips to prepare you for whatever lies ahead. I feel stronger climbing uphill and safer coming downhill. These poles are a perfect fit for beginners to experts, children, teens, adults, and seniors. I can modify it to fit any height and lend it to my friends and family. I'm a huge fan of the extra wide padded wrist straps, which makes long hikes an absolute breeze. Plus, the anti-shock feature in each pole helps make the most comfortable poles you'll ever use. If you're a backpacker or long trail hiker, you'll love the support and balance you get with these. Trips just aren't the same without the right equipment. Support your body with hiking poles by VAFX products.
World-traveling backcountry adventurer, the Halite trekking poles will support you wherever your adventure finds you. The outer lock adjustment system on this pair of poles allows you to quickly adjust the height from 48 to 54 inches. The ergonomically molded handles are made of cork and EVA foam, and the adjustable webbing and neoprene straps provide all-day comfort. The lightweight yet durable 7075 aircraft-grade aluminum will last for years to come. With 4 collapsible sections and vinyl-coated cables to keep them connected, the Halite breaks down into a tiny 16 inches, easily fitting into airline-approved luggage. Snow baskets, hiking baskets, and rubber boot tips are all included. So plan your trip and pack your Halite poles. They'll be your most reliable travel companion.
Here's a quick tutorial on how to use your telescoping poles. Adjust your arms so that they're at a 90-degree angle. When adjusting the height of your poles, make sure the number on the top segment of the pole is the same as the bottom. Open the clasp, then turn the screw to the desired tension, then close the clasp. To adjust the length of the strap, pull the tension block out. Once the tension block is removed, you may pull the loose end to tighten the strap, or pull the upper end to loosen the strap.